Hello traders. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, whichever part of the world you are. Welcome to the Traders Zone YouTube live stream on the 23rd December 2020. Right guys, so let's do the little recap from the yesterday's trading. So let's look at GJ first, and as I told you before yesterday that this is the buying area, right? From this is the buying area from where we were looking for buys, and yesterday when we were ending the live stream, the price was playing over here in this area. So after that the price came to this buying area, then created double bottom, and it went straight ahead out of that zone, and now again it went back into the supply area from where we can look for sales. So now today, if you look at this is the traffic area from where we are getting the major resistance. All right, so yesterday, as you can see guys, the price was ranging over here. It took the resistance and now it went down again. Now coming from the demand area, now it is coming back into the supply zone once again. So now this is the time where we can look for sales, right? So let's just look at it. So the price is rejecting this area from last 4 hours. This is the H1 candle, okay, H1 time frame, 1 2 3 4. So from last 4 hours, the candle, the price is rejecting this area, this zone, okay. So I think there will be some good selling opportunity in this area, so we will just wait for bearish confirmation. Right now, as you can see, the candle is bullish, so still there is a possibility that that price can go up also, okay. The price may go out, may break this area, and then it can take the support of this zone and it can go up as well. All right, so this is also possible, but right now, as we can see, the price is rejecting, so there is a possibility that price may, fall again. So these are the two types of scenario, that either price can go up or there's a possibility that price can go down as well. And let's first of all clear this. So this was the buying area. So from buying area we have got the push. So let's see how GJ plays out. Let's see if we get any opportunity to enter this sell. Then let's go to GU. Same thing happened in the GU. There were two demand zones, there were two buying area, right? This was the supply area from where price is rejected and went down. This is the first demand where it has shown some bullish momentum, and after that it went down to the lowest buying area, right? So from there we got this bullish momentum, bullish price action, as you can see. So let's see now how this GU gives us the price action, that how it plays out. Just like the GBPJPY, it's also moving in the same way. Now the GU is also in the resistance area. Okay, so and here also it is rejecting this level, this price level from 4 hours, and it has it is facing some difficulty to cross this area. So again we can find some selling opportunity over here as well. Right now on the H1 candle I do not see any selling opportunity because the current candle is bullish, so we gotta wait for that. And still, as you can see, the price is ranging. It is like consolidating. So yes, there can be a possibility that it can break out to the upside, and there is also possibility that it can go to the downside as well, since it is facing some difficulties to break this area. So let's see. And now let's go and let's move to XAU USD, that is gold. So in the gold, this was the selling area yesterday, and this is the buying area where price is taking the support, where the bulls are still in control and they are not allowing sellers to push the price down. Still buyers are trying to push the gold to the upside, and it is holding this level. So let's see. But still the price is in demand in the buying zone, so we can expect some bullish momentum from over here. So let's wait for some time, and if we get any bullish price action, then we can look for buys. And over here the pip range is around 136 pips, and the stop loss area can be 54 pips. Okay, so overall this can be a really good trade, because it's almost, if you consider this area, then it's 126 pips, and if you consider to the end of this zone, it is 172 pips. So it's overall it's a really nice price range. All right guys, so if we get any bullish price action, if we get any bullish opportunity, then we can look for buys. All right, guys. So now also let's look at the EU, that is Euro USD. So right now this is the selling area for the Euro USD, and from here we can look for selling opportunity. If we get any strong selling confirmation, then we can look for sell. And this is the major buying area from where the price is pushing to the high. All right, so this is the buying area, this is the selling area for now. If we get any selling opportunity right here, then we can look for sell. So as of now, let's go to the gold and let's monitor it, because right now as we can see the gold is in buying area. So from here we can look for some sort of rejection from the buying area, and we can look for buys. So let's just stick to this.
I'm sorry, guys. Hello, KPK. I hope you are doing good. Yeah, let's look at EuroCAD. Let me see what we can find out on that. All right. So right now, as we can see, the EuroCAD is ranging. All right. If you look at here, it's ranging and it's bearish right now. And on daily time frame, it's ranging, and it's a daily time frame. It's on resistance. Okay, as you can see over here, it's in resistance. It has perfectly respected this zone. All right. Now let's go to H4. On H4, it is still in the bearish momentum. All right. So still we can expect EuroCAD to come to this level. Okay, we can expect it from till here. Then there is another level over here, and there is the last place. So I think the EuroCAD is in the sell, right? It is in the downtrend currently. And now if we go to 1 hour time frame, it has already given the impulse move, right? So I think there is possibility for time being that it can give small retracement to the upside, then it can continue to go down. Okay, so this is the first area where EuroCAD can go, and also this is also the another area. So possibly it can go till 1.5650, and the second would be 5620. All right, and then like that it can continue to go down. So on EuroCAD we are on the sell, but right now this is not the right place to sell. Okay, this is not the right place to sell. If you wanted to enter the sell, this was the right place. Price came below this zone. Okay, it broke the zone, then it gave a small retracement, and this was the last kiss to the zone, and then price continued to go down. So this was the impulse correction impulse. So this was the right place to sell, because this is the zone, and if you go to the lower time frame, you can get more confirmation. right? So this is the first touch, this is the second touch, this was the rejection. Okay, so now this was the second candle where you can enter the sell, and the stop loss can be above this candle. You can also keep your stop loss above this zone, but this candle, the stop loss above this can also be a good stop loss. Yeah, you're most welcome, KPK. So if you liked this channel, and if you like this live stream, so make sure you subscribe the channel and do share it with your trade buddies or your friends and colleagues who all are interested in learning the trading, and they can get a lot of information, they can get so many information from this live stream. So this live stream is basically created to help all the retail traders out there who are struggling in the forex trading. So this is the motto of this channel. Awesome, awesome, KPK. Thank you so much for subscribing the channel, and thank you so much. And I'm really glad that you loved the live stream. Thank you so much. Also, KPK, make sure if you can join the Discord channel. All right, I have given the link in description, where we all traders can share some ideas on the trade, and we can discuss something. All right, so make sure you join the Discord channel as well. And yes, Bala, if you just go to the previous live stream, I mean to say a few minutes back where I started the live stream, you can look into it that I have discussed the GJ and GU, but any which ways, I'm going to explain it again. So right now, as you can see on the GJ, all right, okay, this is GU. On the GU, or yesterday I had said that these are the main buying area. This is the first one, this is the second one, as it has respected this area, and it has went up into the selling area. Right now, as you can see, yesterday the price was over here and it was taking the resistance, right? So still this price level, this zone is acting as a resistance, so we can look for selling opportunity over here in this area. So price right now is in the selling area, and to enter the sell, uh, we need to confirm bearish candle confirmation on the higher time frame. All right, so now if you look at this, right, so the price is rejecting this price level, this area from last 4 hours. Now the fifth hour is going on, right? The fifth candle is going on. It's still it's forming. So after this candle confirmation, if this is the strong bearish candle, then we can look for sell from here. Okay, and the profit target would be, this is the first one and this is the second one. Also, there is a probability that price can, reverse from right here. As you can see, this is the area from where price had some issue, right? And prices went up. Okay, the price has rejected this area as well, as you can see. So there is a possibility, there is a probability that it can go up from here as well, and it can break this area, and it can continue to go up in the higher supply area. Okay, so let's see how it plays out. If we get a strong bearish confirmation, then we can look for sell, and we will aim for 10 to 20 pips. All right, 10, 15 or 20 pips or 30 pips, right? And we can close the trade. So we are not going to hold the trades for a long time, because this is not the way I trade. I take just 10, 20, 30 pips and I just get out the trade. So let's see. So I'm just deleting this zone right now. And also same goes with GJ. If you look at GJ is also in the selling area. As you can see, price is respecting this baseline, and the price is rejecting, right? So still there are sellers in this area, and we can look for selling opportunity if we get a strong selling confirmation. All right, so I hope this makes some sense to you guys. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions, if you guys have any questions. You're most welcome, Bala. You're most welcome. And thank you so much for joining the live stream today again. As you can see, this is a strong bearish candle. So I think we can enter the sell, but let me first of all check on the higher time frame. As you can see, this is the M30 candle. All right, the M15 candle is strong bearish candle. Okay, now let's go to higher time frame. As you can see, this M30 candle is still forming. Okay, so still there is no strong confirmation, right? There is a possibility that price may reverse in the up direction. So we will wait for this candle to close. As you can see, initially when the price first came in, okay, the price has rejected with a strong bearish confirmation, right? But still price did not continue to go down. Okay, the price was still consolidating in this area. This indicates that still there is some buying pressure. There is still some buying pressure in this area. That is the reason why this strong selling from this area has not pushed the price down. Still the buyers are trying to push the market higher. The price is still ranging, so there are not enough sellers. So that's why we will wait for this candle to close, and we need strong confirmation. And so now after that we have to look at 1 hour time frame as well. So as you can see, this is the first strong bearish candle as well on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, but still the price is playing in this area. The price is not pushing down. So this indicates that there is some sort of weakness in the sellers. Still buyers are trying to push the price higher. So there is a possibility that price can continue to go down. I mean to say continue to go up, just like this. There is a probability. There is a possibility. Okay, So I'm just telling everything based on this price action. So this is the reason why I'm trying to I'm little I'm not sure about where price can go, but this I'm just trying to make you guys understand that there is a possibility that price can go up as well, because the price is facing some difficulties to push the price down. Okay, so let's see. All right. Yeah. Thank you, KPK. Thank you, KPK Clasher. Thank you for joining the Telegram and Discord group. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. The legend. Yes. And yes, I will try my best. I will try my best to post all the analysis and some knowledge in that group. Yeah, I'll try my best. For Euro JPY, just let me check and let me get back to you on that. Just give me a minute. All right, so in this Euro JPY, as you can see, the price is ranging. All right, so this is the buying area from where majorly the price is rejecting this area. Okay, and as you can see, the price was falling from here and from the resistance area. Now after this candle, this bullish candle, you could have entered buys. You could have entered the buys, and you could have put your take profit right over here. Okay, if you look at this, let's calculate the pips. Okay, this is around 7 pips. Okay, but still you can target for 10 pips, 11 pips from over here, and the stop loss of 6 pips. So not a good range to trade, but still if you are willing to take 5 to 6 or 10, 9 to 10 pips, so this was the good range to enter the trade from right here till here. So let's see how the price continues to go, and about breaking out this area. This is the M30 candle, and it has closed strong bullish candle. And let's go to the 1 hour time frame. If this candle closes above this area, okay, above this, and I see there is another price level. Okay, so I see these are the two levels from where price can push to the downside. Okay, if the price closes above this or above this area, the highest area is this. If price closes above this area, then there is a possibility that price can continue to go up till here. There is a possibility. Okay, so this is the ranging area. So if you really want to buy, then you should buy at this area over here. This is a good place to buy. You cannot buy over here, because if you buy over here and if price goes to this area, so there is a possibility that price can fall from this area. There's a possibility that sellers will push the price down. This is not the right place to buy, but this is this lowest area. This is the buying area from where you can look for buying opportunity. So right now, if you want to buy, you need to wait for price to come into this area. Okay, or you need to wait for the price to break this area, and it has to do the break and retest. This is the right way. Perfect. If you're waiting for good entry, then it's really good. That's what everybody need, and that's what you're following. Great. You're most welcome, buddy. You're most welcome. Okay, so now let's look at GU and GJ. So GU has rejected this area once again, and the M30 candle has closed bearish. All right, and so this is an indication that price can go down. Okay, still the sellers are in control, but let's go to GJ. And on the GJ as well, you can see the price has rejected this area, and the candle has closed bearish. Okay, and if we go to M15, the price has closed like gravestone doji. So I think we need to wait. This candle was strong bearish. Okay, and after that, that price has not pushed anywhere. The price has pushed to the upside, but still and also, as you can see, the buyers has tried to push the market higher, but still the sellers has pushed the market to the downside, but still it has not broken the previous candle's low. So it means that still buyers are in control. Okay, so we need to wait for some time. We need to wait for strong selling confirmation, as the price is still ranging in this area. As you can see, guys, the price was ranging for some time, but price went down, right? It came again, and it went down again. So sellers were so strong that price was falling so easily. But right here, the candles are strong, but still the price is not going down. Okay, sellers are still not able to push the price to the bottom. So this is an indication that we need to wait for some time. The buyers are still in control, and still there is no decision that whether it has to go up or it has to go down. So we gotta wait. This is the good buy. I think this was the good buy, but I'm waiting for gold to, you know, form this kind of bullish setup. If I get to see this kind of bullish setup, then we can enter the trade, because right now, as you can see, the price is pushing down. Okay, the price has broken all the highs of the previous. So still price has come into this area, and it is trying to push the price to the downside, and still the price is in the buying zone. So I will wait for this kind of setup. Okay, I want price to go up, then come back to this area, and from over here we can look for buys if we get some bullish confirmation. If you look at the previous YouTube live stream, I had explained the same kind of scenario in the GJ. So that's exactly what kind of setup that I'm looking for on the gold. So let's see.
I can
Yes, sure. Let's look at NZD/JPY as well. Yes, so still now as you can see, this is the buying area and this is the selling area from where the price has come down. Again, price broke out, then false move, okay, fake out, and then it came again into the range. Okay, and now again as you can see, the price on the 1 hour time frame, it has rejected this area. Okay, and now still the sellers are trying to push the price down. And so still there are sellers in this area, and from here the price has rejected many times. This was the first move, this is the second. So I think for the third time, I think again there is a possibility that price may continue again to fall from this level, from this zone. Okay, so I would suggest you to wait for some time, wait for strong selling confirmation. If you get strong selling confirmation, then you can enter the sell. Okay, right now as you can see, the 1 hour candle is about to close. Okay, the 1 hour candle is about to close, and it's about to close in 15 minutes. So if you wait for some time for the strong 1 hour selling confirmation, then you can enter the sell. Okay, in the NZD/JPY. And yeah, so you should wait for this candle to close, and you should look for selling confirmation, and then after that you can look for, yeah. And also as you can see on the M30, it is rejecting this area. This is the strong bearish candle. Okay, so there is probability that price can continue to go down till over here, or there is also one minor support over here. As you can see, this was the initial support, resistance. Okay, so the price has broke that resistance and it has taken the support. So if you sell over here, then your first possible target should be this. Okay, and if it has to continue to go down, then you can just keep your stop loss to the break even if you enter over here, and you can just wait for the price to go down till here. And if you find still some bullish momentum in the price, then you can close your trade side over here. I hope this answers your question, and that's what I'm trying to make you understand. Yamil, what would be the good trade to get into now? Yamil, right now there are no trades uh, in which we can get into. I'm still waiting for a strong buying confirmation on this gold, okay, and selling confirmation on GU and GJ. So I'm just waiting for that. If I am in the trade, then I'm going to post it on this live stream. So right now there is no trade for me. So I'm just patiently waiting for strong selling confirmation on GU and GJ, and I'm waiting for strong buying confirmation on gold. If there is any, if there is any opportunity that we can enter, then you will see it on the chart. I hope this makes sense to you, and let me know if you have any suggestions or if you have any question related to trading, and make sure to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and colleagues. So as you can see, guys, as I mentioned earlier as well, still there is no confirmation for selling. The price is being rejecting this area, but still there is no strong selling confirmation. So it does seems like that still buyers are trying to push the market higher, GJ and GU, and the price is right now in the selling area. So we will not look for buys in this area. Okay, this is the selling zone, so we cannot buy in this area or over here. Either we can buy over here, and if the price goes up and comes down to this zone, okay, and if the price tries to take the support of this area, then only we can enter the buys. Otherwise there are no uh, there is no way to buy at this area. I'm using Trading View. This is a Trading View website where I am doing my analysis on the chart. Okay, so let me give you the, if you want to know. This is the link. And you can find this application on your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store as well. On which chart you are talking about, Yamil? Okay, on GJ. You can find the support and resistance at the tops and bottom. Let me go back. The price where right now the price is ranging, it is little complicated area. So let me show it to you right here. Okay, so if you look at this, this is the resistance. Okay, this is also resistance, and this is support. This is how I find the support and resistance. This is also a support and resistance. Okay, since the price is closed below this and it has went down, so this is also a support. Okay, so I consider this wicks as a support and resistance. So this is how I do. Alright guys, so now new candle has started, and I think now we can look for a selling opportunity. The 1 hour candle is also closed bearish, and we can look for sales. So I think we should wait for price to retrace a little. Okay, but I see this is also kind of retracement, but I think there should be some sort of retracement till over here. Okay, in this area I think there should be some sort of retracement in this area, and we can enter the sell. So Let's wait for some time. Let the candle retrace and let it gives us another selling confirmation, another bearish confirmation. But still the price is ranging in this area and it has not broken this area. Okay, and if you compare these candles, the previous candle was bigger, okay, and still it was a bullish candle. And if you look at this candle, this is also bearish candle, but it has smaller body compared to the previous one. I mean to say, in a complete ratio of the candle. Let's go to GU. Let's see what it says. Let's first of all calculate the risk. Okay, so if we sell over here, right here, then there is 24 pips stop loss, and target could be 53 pips, but the candles are very small. Okay, and I think we should wait for this candle to close, and after that there will be some sort of retracement. So in that retracement we can find the entry. Only one session, Yamil. I do the live session on the 10:30 GMT. That is London session and New York session. At that time, this both session get overlapped. So that is the reason why I started this live stream, to cover both of the sessions, the London stream and the New York session as well. London session and New York session, both. So the live streaming starts at 10:30 GMT. And I do it once a day. Every day there is only one live stream. From 10:30 a.m. GMT to 2:30 p.m. GMT. All right, so now gold is continuing to the downside, and I think it can continue to go till here, and from here we can find some bullish momentum. There is a possibility. I'm not 100% sure, but there is a possibility that it can continue to go down till here, the 1860 area, and from there we can find some bullish momentum. So let's see. This was the reason why gold rejected this area. This was the support initially that was broken, and now again it acted as resistance. So now the gold is trying to reach into this area. Oh wow, just look at this pressure, guys. Okay, so what are the best time frames to work in? Yeah, so in the trading, it's all up to you that what kind of trader you are. Okay, if you are a swing trader, then you can go to higher time frame like daily and weekly time frame. Okay, and if you are a scalper, then you should work on 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. Okay, if you are aiming for 10, 20, 30 pips, then you should work on 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. That are the good for trading, and that is for me, that's what I follow. Basically I do my analysis on 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. Okay, and after that I just go down to the minute 15 candle. Okay, minute 15 time frame, and I just wait for the trades. That's it. So basically it's all up to you. I hope this answer your questions, and let me know if you still have some doubts or you want to ask something. I'll be more than happy to answer your question. That red candle means the price is falling down, buddy. And I'm not the market maker, okay? I'm just anticipating the move. I cannot tell you that where exactly market will go, and nobody can. And only thing that we can do is we can just follow the price action, okay? And we can just anticipate that what can happen, what might can happen. I cannot tell you that exactly what's gonna happen, but based on my study, what I have learned from the price action, and based on my knowledge, the only thing that I can tell you right now is this is the support area. Okay, the price initially price was playing around here, and then it came down and it took the support of this buying area. Okay, it took the support, then again it went down, and again it created another support. Okay, from that support price took the support, and price just went again higher. Okay, it crossed this buying zone. Okay, now it took the resistance again, and now it came down to this area once again. And initially I said this is the buying area, this is the support area from where price can possibly go up. So as you can see, this is the wick. Okay, so price has rejected this area, and still buyer are there in this area, and buyers has pushed the price to the upside. Okay, so now we have to wait for bullish confirmation at this place. If we get strong bullish confirmation, then we can enter the buys. So it's all up to you, either you can enter or not. But for me, still there is a time, and I will wait for strong bullish confirmation, and let's see. I cannot tell you where exactly it will go, but only thing that I can tell you that we will wait for strong bullish confirmation. And if the price has to go down, okay, so right here I'll wait for price to retrace, just like this. I will wait for this kind of scenario. I will wait for this kind of setup. The price will go down, okay, then it will retrace a little bit into this area, and after that we get strong selling confirmation. If we get strong selling bearish candle, then we can enter the sell over here, and the target would be this area. I hope this makes sense for you. And if doesn't, and yeah, and if it has to go up, then possibly we can find some bearish bullish confirmation, and then we can look for buys. So let's see. And it's not necessary to be in the trade. You just have to wait for good setup, and then only you have to enter the market. Let me know if this makes any sense to you. Or you still have any doubt? GU does look like it's falling, but I think this is the price area from where you can expect GU to go up once again. Okay, so my advice would be to wait for GU to break this area. Okay, let it break this small support, and then we can enter for sells. Because as you can see, the price, whenever the price comes into this area, it just goes up. Okay, and still there is a probability, there is a possibility that price may continue to come into this area, and from here it can reverse and it can go into this area again, and from there it can find some resistance, and then it can continue to go down, and also it can push to the downside right away, and it will come back into this area for filling the orders once again, and to retrace a little bit, and then it can continue to go down into this buying area. So let's just wait, and always remember guys, you just have to wait for retracement. You just have to wait for correct price action to enter the market. Just you have to understand the price action and what the previous candles are trying to tell you. And one thing that I wanted to add, guys, now as you can see, the price has rejected this zone. Okay, and if this candle closes bullish, okay, and it closes bullish, then we can enter the buys. Okay, we can enter buy over here. If this candle closes bullish, we will wait for price to retrace in this area, in this little area, and we will enter the buy over here, and the stop loss would be below this candle, that is 10 to 12 pips. Okay, if this candle bullish, and the stop loss would be of 10 pips, 12 pips, and then we can expect the price to go up over here for the 60 pips. So I'm not going to hold the trade for longer time. I will take 10, 20, 30 pips and I'll just get out of the trade. So I'm just giving you a little heads up. I'm not 100% sure, but based on this candle formation, I will decide that whether I want to enter the trade or not, because the exactly same thing has happened in the past. Let me show you. If you look at this candle, do you see? If you look at this candle, there was a strong bearish momentum. Okay, now the candle closed bullish. Okay, the candle is smaller than this, but it has respected this buying zone. Okay, it has respected this support. Okay, and then after the closing of this candle, the price has retraced a bit, okay, into this area, and then it has went above. Okay, so it has went above in the previous zone. So that's exactly what kind of scenario that I'm looking into for current price, and let's see. Also, there is a possibility that it can continue to go down. You know, guys, this is how all the professional traders out there who are independent and full-time trader, this is how they anticipate the price. Okay, they just analyze the price action, and this is how they anticipate the move. They are looking at the chart on the both possible scenario. There are two probabilities: either price can go up and either price can go down. So they anticipate the price in the both direction. Okay, so based on the price action and candle confirmation, they enter into the market. So that is the same way I just shown you that what I'm expecting and what is a possibility, what can possible happen. So yeah, this is the way you also have to understand, look at the chart, and you cannot predict that price will go into this area or that area. You just have to understand that. You just have to understand that the only thing that you can do is you can anticipate the price. You cannot predict the future. You can just only anticipate that what can happen, what might can happen. Yes, so Yamil, the price action means how the price is reacting. Okay, if you look at this candle, these are the candlestick, and you have to understand what the price is trying to tell you. Okay, so let's say, for example, this is the candle, this and it is just the longest candle in this on this chart currently, as of now, as you can see. So this says that the price has pushed to the downside a lot in that particular time frame. Okay, so, and this is the bullish candle. Okay, so this says that the price has the price has went up. Okay, so buyers pushed the price higher, right? So based on the candlestick formation, we anticipate that what can be the next candle or where the market can go. Okay, so that is called as a price action. We understand that what kind of candles are forming, okay, and what those candles are trying to tell you. Okay, now as you can see, this is the support and price has rejected this area. Now this candle is closing bullish, so that means buyers are still in this control. So that is the price action. Now what will be the next action of the price? Okay, so as I said, if this candle close bullish, then we can look for buys in this area. We will wait for price to retrace at the bottom, and then we can enter the trade, and the stop loss would be below this candle. All right, guys. So now, as you can see, this candle has closed bearish. Okay, and this has rejected this area. But I would suggest you guys to wait for bullish confirmation on M30 candle, because still the previous M30 candle is still bearish. Okay, so I will wait for bullish price action right here. As you can see, this was the strong bearish candle. Okay, the price has came into this area. Okay, if you look at this candle, the price came into this area. Over here as well, the price rejected this area, but on M30 you see this candle closed bullish. Okay, still there are no signs for bullish confirmation on M30. The price has rejected this area. Same exactly has happened in this area, but still there is no strong bullish confirmation. On M15, yes, I agree, there is a bullish confirmation, but I would suggest you to guys to wait for some time. Let's wait for M30 bullish candle. The reason why I'm asking you guys to wait for M30 bullish candle, because it will give you a confirmation, it will give you confluence that yes, at this area the buyers are still in the control, and the M30 time frame is stronger than minute 15 time frame. So that is why I'm telling you guys to wait for M30 bullish confirmation, and then after that we will enter the trade if we get strong bullish confirmation on M30. Right here I can see that this is the strong this is the bullish candle. This is not a strong bullish candle, but still it's a bullish candle, so there is a probability that it can go up, okay, after this candle also. But my best suggestion would be to wait for M30 candle to give strong confirmation. That's it. I hope this makes sense to you, and if it really makes sense to you, then make sure to put in the comments that you agree with that view, as according which I just expressed to you guys, which I'm thinking. So let me know if you guys agree to that, or you have anything that you want to say something about. Let me know, Yamil, if you have any doubts, if you did not get any part in this explanation, do let me know. Let me put that into one line. Price action is reading this candlestick patterns, okay, and to understand that and predict what can be the next possible move. Based on reading this candle, you can anticipate what can be the future move. That is reading price action. All right, the price is pushing up. So as I mentioned, guys, after this candle, we could have entered the trade, but we would wait for M30 candle, because this is the small area where price is struggling. Okay, so there is a possibility, there is a probability that price can tap into the zone, because it has broken this particular zone. Okay, so there is possibility that it can, you know, retrace into this area, and then it can continue to go down. So that is the reason why I said to wait for M30 candle to close, and after that we can enter the trade if we get to see some opportunity.
So as I told you guys previously on the GU, this is taking the support of this area, and as you can see now GU has rejected this area, and now it is trying to push up to the it is trying to push to the upside. So this is the reason why you have to wait. This is the reason why you should wait for perfect setup. And if you really know that what kind of setup that you should look for, then definitely that thing will develop into you, and you will get that patience in your into you, you know, inside you. You will learn to have that patience, and it will develop automatically as you know, as long as you try to wait for that setup. Okay, so guys, as I told you earlier, still there is buying pressure on the GJ and GU, so that was not the right place to enter the sell. So this is the reason why you should learn the price action, guys. If you really understand what the price is trying to tell you, then you will never enter in the wrong trade, because most of the people know how to draw the support and resistance, but they do not know that what exactly price is trying to tell you. Okay, so this is what exactly happened. Even if you know that this is the selling area, this is the resistance, then people just directly enter into the sell right away. They do not even look at that what the price is trying to tell them. Okay, so that is the reason why you should understand the price. And as you can see, guys, this is the selling area. Still there were so many strong selling candle, but we do not enter the sell. We did not enter the sell. So this is the thing that you have to understand, and you have to develop a patience in yourself, and you have to understand that when to enter the trade and when not to. This also does look like some sort of retracement as well, but let's see. I think there is a possibility that we can enter the buys, because this has rejected, and we will wait for M30 candle to close bullish, and then we can possibly enter the buys. So still we have 15 minutes to wait, so let's wait for next 15 minutes. Hi David, thank you for joining the YouTube live stream. And yes, I follow the naked chart. I don't use any indicator or anything. All right, guys. Now it does look like still there is bullish momentum at this support. So I think there is possibility that this candle can close bullish. This is the rejection, and now the price is trying to push to the upside. So let's see. Still 10 minutes remaining, 11 minutes. Yes, so David, do you have any questions that you want to ask related to trading? All right, you are new to the trading. Okay, no problem. So welcome. You're most welcome to the Trader Zone YouTube live stream. And thank you so much for taking out your precious time and joining this live stream. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Okay, so guys, one thing that I want to add again, that if this candle closes bullish, okay, so then after that we can wait for price to retrace into this area, okay, this body of this candle, okay, and also the best place to enter the trade would be this box, that is 1861.00. okay, so at here also we can enter the buys, okay, or we can wait for price to retrace into this area and we can enter the buys, and we can put our stop loss below this area or below this candle or below this baseline, okay. So let's just measure it out. If your stop loss is over here, then your stop loss would be of 20 pips, okay, and if you're putting your stop loss over here, that would be of 14 pips, and if you put your stop loss below this low of this bullish candle, then it would be 10 pips, okay. So it's all up to you where you want to put your stop loss. If I enter the trade, I will update you guys, and I'll also let you know that where I have put my stop loss. And yeah, so my target would be right here, that is 49 pips or 50 pips, you can say. $50 pips take profit and 10 to 20 pips of stop loss. Now let's wait for 6 minutes, and in 6 minutes the M30 candle is about to close. All right. Price is still trying to push to the downside. Alright guys, so now let me give you some heads up on this as well. Right now, as you can see, mostly whenever I talk about setup, that I say that it has to go down and then some sort of retracement and then continue to the downside. Now if you look at this is exactly what is trying, this is exactly what is happening. If you see, the price has rejected this area, now it went down, now again it has rejected this zone, okay, and after that if we see any strong bearish candle, okay, this is the M30, okay, currently this M30 candle is about to close, okay, and if we see a next M30 candle to be bearish, then we can enter on that second bearish candle, okay, if we get to see that kind of scenario, okay, if there is a strong bearish candle after this, and after that, so we will enter the trade after the retracement into this area, okay, or retracement on that particular bearish candle, okay, and then we can enter the sell. So let's see how this candle plays out, because this is the kind of setup that we look for. So let's see if this this candle rejects this area or not. Let's go to the gold. Okay, now this does look like bearish price action, so we will wait for another candle to retrace into this area, and if we get another bullish candle, then we can enter the buys after that candle. Now this is the bearish candle. Even though the M30 candle is bullish, so I think we have to wait for some retracement over here in this area. We will wait for price to come into this area. We will buy over here. The stop loss would be below this. The target would be around here, first target and second target. I suspect that the price can go above this area. It can also reverse from here as well. All right. Right guys, so this is the 1 hour candle. It has also closed bearish, and it has closed below this zone. Okay, it has rejected this area, but it has closed below this zone. So let's see. Oh no, gold has not given any chance to enter the trade. It has not given any retracement into this area. As you can see guys, bullish candle. This price has rejected this area. Let's go to GJ. Alright, again, this is the bullish M30 candle, and the H1 candle is also closed bullish. So still there is no opportunity for selling. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is DXY, that is dollar index, and it is trying to push up. Okay, so that means dollar will be stronger, and so there is possibility that gold will be weaker. So I think we can find some bearish momentum in the gold if dollar goes up. All right, guys, I'm back. You should have entered over here, but we waited for M30 confirmation, and after M30 candle we did not get any chance to enter, did not give any retracement to the downside, so no trades taken. But it's okay, guys, to miss the trade rather than losing and also entering the trades later. So it's better to wait, and it's better to miss the trade, because tomorrow you can come back and you can just find another opportunity. And this is the kind of patience that you need to develop into yourself. And this is what most of the traders are lacking, and that's why they lose money all the time. And that's why everybody says that 90 or 95% of traders lose the money, because they don't have patience and they just chase the trade.
All right,
Guys, so now as you can see, as we expected
this
gold to push into this level, so it has reached into that area. So this was the anticipated move that we were anticipating till here into this area, and now it is trying to reach into that level. So we did not get any chance to enter the trade. But you know, the most important thing that you need to understand, that we just anticipated this move. You know, we were just trying to predict the move based on the price action. As you can see, this was the support area from where the price was taking support. So this is what I expect. This is what I was expecting. Okay, this is what we were anticipating, that after taking the support of this area, the candle should retrace to this lower side, and then it should continue to go up, and that's exactly what has happened. So this is the reason why you have to understand the price action. And if you get such kind of trades once a day, that is enough. If you get this kind of setup every day, and you know what, if you follow 2 to 3 pairs, and if you follow the price action just like the way that I explained to you about this gold, then there is no need to take 5 to 10 trades. You just have to take one single trade. You just have to aim for 10 to 20, 30 or 40 pips. Okay, maximum 20-30 pips. Okay, and you can just make a living out of that. If you can anticipate 10, 20, 30 pips, you can really make a good fortune. Trust me, guys. You don't have to make thousands of dollars in a day. You just have to make consistently the money every day from 10, 20, 30 pips, and you can do it for forever if you learn the price action, and if you can anticipate the future move. That is only you need. I hope this all words make sense to you, and it gives you some sort of clarification, and it clears your some of your doubts or clouds that you have in your head. Okay, and this should add some value to your trading, because just like all the beginner traders, I have also been in this situation where I was chasing 100 200 pips and it was not making any sense. Yes, I was achieving sometime 100 pips or 200 pips, but it was also giving me a lot of stress, because when I keep my trades overnight, it doesn't allow me to sleep. I just used to wake up and I used to look at the trades, that what's happening. So it was kind of giving a lot of stress. So that is why now I believe that you should just aim for 10 20 30 pips, and in that 10 20 30 pips you just have to make 2 to 3% or 5%, okay, or whatever the percentage ratio that you are aiming for, okay, and you can become a full-time successful trader. You don't have to chase those big moves. It's okay if you just take your profit in next 2 to 3 candles. That is okay. And what is the most important things that is the important thing that is in trading is to be in a profit. Nobody's going to give you an Oscar for taking 100 pips, okay? That is not going to prove something. The thing that is going to prove that you are a good trader, that you are still in the profit, okay? So just take some few trades, but make them profitable and just get out and stay away from the chart. Come on the next day again, aim for 10 20 30 pips, take it and just stay away from the chart. If you follow this thing continuous every day consistently, and eventually you will see the results. You will see in your account that how it is impacting your trading, and how it is impacting your equity, your gains, and your account size. It is going to make a lot of difference, guys. Trust me. Just do it for a few months and you will get addicted to that. Do let me know if you guys have any questions, or if you guys are agree with me. Yes, buddy. Yes, David. This all zones are called these boxes are called zones. Okay, so based on the price, where the price is, based on that we tell them either supply and demand area. So let's say, for example, if the price is above this area, right now the price is above this box, this zone. So this zone will be a demand zone, okay, from where the buyers are pushing to the upside. Okay, buyers are trying to push the price higher, and as you can see right here, the price is below this zone. Okay, so now this zone will be called as supply zone. Okay, so from supply, whenever the price is in supply, the price goes down. Whenever the price is in the demand zone, the price goes up. I hope you understand. Let me know in the comments that you understand or not, or still you have any question. You're most welcome, David. You're most welcome. Okay, so if the price breaks the supply, then the supply becomes demand, and if price breaks the demand, then demand breaks a supply. Demand becomes a supply, because now if the price closes above this area, right now this is supply zone, okay, from where the price has pushed down. Okay, so now we will consider that the price is in the supply zone. Okay, once the price goes above this area, now this supply zone has become a demand zone. Okay, in the same way, when the price goes above this supply zone, this supply will become demand. Okay, and then from there we can expect the price to go up. Okay guys, so now I think GU is trying to break this support zone. Let's go to GJ as well. Now I'm looking forward to GU and XAU because as you can see guys, there is a lot of noise over here. The candles are so many, there are so many candles and it's really choppy. Even if we get strong selling or buying confirmation, we will get confused that what is going to happen. So now I'm not going to look at GJ. We will look into the GU because the candles are still choppy. The market is still choppy, but still there is some sort of clarification, right? The candles are a little clean, but as you can see over here, it's too messy. You see wicks to the upside, wicks to the downside, again wicks to the upside and to the downside. So this is little very confusing. So let's look at GU. Okay, the candles are there are wicks, but still it has some sort of clear price action. So we can look into this, and let's look at the gold as well. So I think there is a possibility that gold can continue to go down as well, because now it seems like it is taking resistance in this area. So let's look at GU. All right. Okay, we have another support over here. So now we can expect the price to go into this area. Okay guys, over here, and then we can find some retracement in this area, and then we can find this bearish momentum from here. So let's see. Yes, so David, I hope I answered your question. Oh, great, lovely. Thank you so much for subscribing the channel. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate. I'm really glad that I answered your question and you understand that. Thank you so much. And also, David, just wanted to let you know, as you are new to the trading, I would request you to just join the Discord channel as well. At there, still there are people, the traders, that they have joined the Discord channel, where in the future, near future, where there will be a lot of traders like you and me, everybody, where we all can discuss the trading idea, where we can share the trading idea, and everybody at there will try to help each other. Okay, so I'm trying to build a community where all the retail traders can support each other and share their ideas, thoughts and views on the trading, and that way we all can help each other grow in the trading career. Wonderful, thank you so much. Hello, Mr. Vijay. I'm fine, sir. I'm fine. How are you, sir? Oh, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind word. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Yes, sir. We should wait for retracement. We should wait for retest, because right now this was the area from where the price was taking the support, and it was struggling to break this zone. Now it has broken this zone, and just below that this is a minor support zone. Okay, so from over here the price can continue to go into this zone, and there from here we can find some rejection. Okay, and since it has broken this zone, it will now this zone will act as a resistance. Okay, so price can go into this zone and it can retest into this area, and from here if we get good selling opportunity, then we will enter the sell over here. And still, if you want to enter the sell, still you can enter sell, and you can keep your stop loss above this area, and you can just wait for price to go into this area. And also there is a possibility that it can continue to go down as well. But being a patient trader, I will wait for retest. Okay, I will wait for price to retest into this area. Okay, I will wait for price to retest into this area, and after that I can enter the sell if I want to enter the sell. Because still I find a possibility that this is the some sort of support area from where price has pushed up. Okay, as you can see, the price has went up to the upside from this area. So there is a possibility that price can take a strong support in this area and it can go up. So I'm just waiting for the retest into this area, then I will enter the sell. I hope this clarifies everything on GU and why I'm not in the trade right now, and what kind of setup that I'm looking for and why I'm waiting. I hope this makes sense to you as well. And let me know if you have anything, any view on this, so that I can share it with all the traders who are available on the channel right now. All right, great. Thank you so much. Right, so whenever you find the price fall without retracement, then I think you should stay away from that trade. Okay, you should just stay away from the trade. Wow, just look at this, guys. As I told you, from here there was a strong bullish movement. Okay, so from here we can find some push to the upside as well. So that's what I just tried to explain you guys. So that's exactly what has happened. Price has pushed into the upside, so that is the reason why we have to wait for price to, you know, give the confirmation. That is the reason why you have to wait. And thank God, glad that we did not enter this sell, because this was the buying area, right? Okay, yes, so that's why we have to wait. And as I told you, that's what I explained in the previous sometimes back, that this is the candle, you know, this is the reason why we have to wait, and we have to wait for retracement, and we have to wait for strong bearish confirmation, you know, because the price is taking a lot of time in this area, and it was not giving you the strong move to the downside. The price was ranging. Every time the price goes down, the price goes up again. The bulls push the price higher. So that's why we have to wait. And as you can see, guys, it has taken the support of this area. Okay, if you look at this, it has taken the support and it has pushed to the upside, and this is the area from where price has to go up. So that's exactly what has happened. And if we have to sell, then we have to wait for sell and break and retest. So that's not happened in this scenario. Yes, David, it's so scary, you know. I think there was a time when I was learning, and before the learning, actually, I was not into the price action, and I was trading GU only. Okay, I'm just sharing you my past experience, which I had, you know, which has happened with me, and actually, I was not in that trade. I was just waiting for entering into that trade. Okay, so at that time also, it was the same pair. It was GBPUSD only. Okay, and at that time the price was falling. Okay, the trend was like this. It was this was the move. Okay, and after that the price was falling. All right, and I was just thinking that I think the GU is falling, and then I think I have to enter the sell. Okay, I was just thinking, and back in the days, at that time I had no idea about price action. I do not know price action. I did not know anything. I was just following the indicators and everything, just like every beginner traders does, and that was the best thing that I was doing at that time. And so at that time I just saw the RSI. Okay, and I just saw the stochastic, and I felt like that now it has to go down, the price has to go down. Okay, and I was just about to enter the sell, and then something came in and I did not took that trade, and I just went away from that. I just kept my phone aside, and I just came back after 5 minutes. And the moment when I was just about to trade, at that time there was a news, and believe me, at that time also I was not aware about news. I did not know. I knew, but I was not. I knew that the news impacts the price a lot, but I did not know that at that particular time, at that 5 minutes of gap, there was a news for GU, that is for GBP. And when I came back and I saw that the price took almost 16 to 17 hours to come to this area. Okay, it took almost 15 to 16 hours to come into this area from here to here. It took almost 11 to 15 hours, something around that much time. And within 5 minutes, okay, believe me, within 5 minutes it just spiked up within 5 minutes. And after that 5 minutes, when I just after that in that particular time when I came back, and I saw that the price has spiked up to this level, and again price came down till here, over here. Okay, so just imagine if I would have entered the sell, and if I forgot to enter the stop loss, my account would have been wiped out. And luckily I was not in that trade. So on that day, that was the scariest day of my life, because you know I was about to enter the sell, and I did not enter the sell, and something came in, and I just involved into that thing, and God saved me. So yeah, this is the kind of scenario happens sometimes. So this is just my small incident, some small, the small memory about trading that I just shared with you. So it's really scary, and anything can happen in the market. And whenever you are in the trade, and make sure you just monitor your trade, and keep your risk in your control, okay? And whenever you are in the trade, make sure to have a stop loss, okay? Otherwise, if you do not put a stop loss, you can lose your complete equity in the fraction of seconds. You can completely wipe out your account in fraction of seconds. Well, now let's delete this. You're most welcome, David. Thank you so much. And thank you so much. You paid attention to my story. Thank you so much. All right, guys. So as we discussed that price can go into this area. This is the first area. Now this is the second area where price can go up. And that's exactly as was what has happened. But we missed the move. But no worries. Tomorrow, whenever next time we find such opportunity, we learn the lesson that we can enter the buys into this area, okay? If we find such kind of price action, okay, so we can enter the buys, and we can put the stop loss below this area. And even though if we missed the trade, but you get to learn something about this example, about from this particular pair, and from this analysis, and from this live stream, today's live stream. Let's look at GJ. Yes, so same happened with the GJ, and thank God we did not enter the sales. Now gold is going to go up continuously into this area, I think. As I told you guys, we have to wait for strong bullish confirmation when the price is in the buying area at the support. And as you can see, after this M30 bullish candle, the price went so drastically higher, okay? The price has pushed to the upside very fast. It did not even give any retracement, because this was the buying area, this was the support zone, this was the support area. So yeah, I hope you guys got to learn something from this today's live stream, and why there is so much importance for waiting for candle to close. And the stronger the higher the time frame, more stronger will be the confirmation. Alright guys, so as expected the price is reaching into this selling area. From here, from right here we can find some bearish momentum, and we can find the price to push to the downside, and from here retracement we can expect bullish momentum like this. We can expect this as well. So let's see. I think now GU is trying to reach into this area. So let this candle close, okay guys, and let's see if we get some entry for 5 to 10 to 20 pips, and then we can just call it a day, because I see GU is in the bullish momentum, and I think there will be some possibility that we can enter the trade. But this is the buying area. If the price closes above this area, then we can look for buys, and we can just expect the price to go up, because now the price is in the strongest momentum, strong buying momentum, and we can get some opportunity over here as well. Let's see. But the price has to close above this, and there should be some sort of small retracement and little rejection in this area. Let's go to M30. Okay, so now as you can see, the price is pushing higher, and the M30 candle is about to close in 5 minutes. I think we can also expect the price to come into this area. There is possibility that price can retrace into this area, and then from here we can get some bullish momentum. But still the price is in the supply area, so we need a stronger confirmation. But I would say this still this if even if we enter the buys over here, that will be a riskier trade. There is maximum possibility that we can hit our stop loss because the price is in the supply zone. If it closes above this area and then it retraces back into this zone, and if we get a good bullish confirmation after retracement, then we can enter the trade, and that can be that trade has a good probability that it can go into our direction. GJ is not stopping. So I think if GJ has went up, so dollar might have fall. Yes, that's exactly what happened. Dollar is falling, and that's the reason why gold has gone up, and also pound has gone up. This is called correlation, guys. When the dollar falls down, the pound goes up. On the yesterday, this was the best place, this was the right place to enter the trade, but the live stream was ended and I was away from the system for a whole day, so I did not get a chance to enter. But if I was in front of the chart and if I find this this setup, then I would have entered at this candle. I would have entered at this candle, and my stop loss would have been below this candle, and I would have kept the trade for 10-20 pips, or I would have kept it with the break even stop loss, at break even, and I would have let it move wherever it has to go. As you can see guys, the price has rejected this area. Now we have to wait for retracement into this zone, because from long time the price was taking resistance at this area. So now if price has to go up, it has to come back to this area. Now this was the supply zone. Yes David, so right now if you are still on the live stream, so this is for you and this is for everybody actually, but since you answered the you have asked the question, so about the breaking the supply and demand, so this is just to give you the live example right on this live stream. So as you can see, this was the supply zone, minor supply zone, where the price was taking resistance. Now this supply has broken, the price has broken this supply zone, and now the price is above this zone. So that's why now this zone will act as a demand. Initially when the price was below, it was acting as a supply. Now it is acting as a demand. Okay, so whenever, now if the price come into this area, if price takes the support of this area, that means it will act as a demand zone. It will resist the price to go below this area. The price will take the support of this demand zone, and then it can continue to go up. And yes, one more thing that I want to add, since this is the supply zone, okay, this is the major supply zone, okay, and in the major supply zone the price has rejected this zone. As you can see, this is just a minor zone. This minor zone has created on the M15 time frame, right? But as you can see, this is the bigger time zone, I mean to say bigger higher time frame zone. That is, this is H1 time frame zone. Okay, so if the price rejects this area, okay, so there is also possibility, there is a probability that price can right from here, now price can continue to go down, and it can go up till here. So always there are two possibilities. Okay, so now we will wait for bearish bullish confirmation at this level. We cannot enter the trade right over here right away, because it has already created this impulsive move. So waiting for a right setup would be really good, because if we enter the trade right here, it will be an impulsive entry, and there is also probability that price can just go into this area and it can come down again. So we are not going to enter the trade right away. We will wait for wait for the price to get come into this demand zone, and after that we can enter the trade. On M5, if you look at this was a really good setup, but as I told you guys that I do not follow M5 time frame to enter the trade. Sometime I do, but not all the time. And yes, so in any which ways there was we were looking for sells in this area, because the price has rejected this supply zone, and this was the strong buying zone. As price has come into this area, it has created the support and it has went up. So that is the reason why the price pushed to the upside, because of this move. This acted as a support. Now let's see the price breaks this high or not. This move was very impulsive. I think we might get some opportunity to enter on the gold. So let's just wait for this candle to close. I think now the gold has the potential to go into this area. There is potential because as you can see over here, the gold has created double bottom into this area. Now price has come back into this area, okay, above this zone, okay, and so now the only place that remains to go the gold is this is the area. This is the first area and this is the second one. So now let's wait for gold to retrace a little bit, and we can enter the gold after the retracement. Where after closing this candle, there has to be some sort of retracement in the gold, and after that we can enter the buys over here, and the stop loss would be below this, and the target could be this. Now let's just wait for this candle to close. All right, this M15-minute candle is about to close, and yes, we can look for buying in this area. And this is the minor resistance area now. I cannot say it's a minor, it's kind of resistant only, but we can also find some bearish momentum from here. Okay, since the price has not touched into this area, but because of this move and because of this move, the price has, you know, a lot of momentum to push to the upside. So we can enter the buys if there is a bullish candle after this, or if this candle closes as a bullish candle. Still, I'm not in the trade, I'm just waiting. We just have to be patient. We just have to have patience. We just have to find a best trade to enter. Still we have 3 minutes to go. So guys, the people who are on the live stream, you guys can just make a note of this zones, the zones that I have drawn over here. Okay, and you can also draw this zone over here, and you can also just take note of this zone. Okay, and the first target would be this. Okay, and this is also a nice pip range. I think this is 30-40 pips range. Yes, this is 30 pip range, right? So yes, even if you enter over here with the retracement, okay, you can just keep your stop loss just below this candle, just below it. That will be a 15 pips stop loss, and the profit target can be of 38 pips, or you can say 30 pips, 20-30 pips. You can just take this you can just take this much pip and you can just get out. And if you guys really want to hold the trades, you can hold it for this, but make sure just take care, just keep an eye on the price action, and accordingly manage your trade and manage your risk. That would be my suggestion. And the time for the live streaming has already ended, and I'm still there for 15 minutes. Next 15 minutes I'll be there. So let's just wait for this candle to close and let's see how it plays out. And if you guys get any strong bullish confirmation at this area, you guys can enter the trade, you can enter the buys, and you can just hold it for this first target and second target. That's what my would be just a little advice from this today's live stream, because now I'm not going to monitor the trade, or now I'm not going to enter any trades. So if you guys are still waiting and you guys have just started, so make sure to look at the bullish price action, since the price has come out of this zone. The M30 candle is also still about to close in next 15 minutes. All right, GJ and GU. I think they are going to shoot for the moon. I think they are not stopping. They are not stopping at all. Now the price is coming to this supply area. So on yesterday as well, there was no trade taken. And today as well, no trades taken. So not to worry about. We are patient trader and we just have to patiently wait for the next setup. If we don't get any trade, that's okay. We can come on tomorrow and we can hunt for the pips again. But the most important thing is that we have kept our equity safe. We have not entered into the any of the wrong trades and we lost the money. Still we have the money in our account and we haven't made any loss today and also on yesterday. So that's the most important thing that you have to be grateful for. Next time if I get to see this kind of setup, that I'm going to enter right away after the M15 candle, because today we had the opportunity and we would have made around 100 pips on this trade, because as I mentioned, yes, this was the 100 pips trade. The stop loss was of 15 pips, and I have mentioned that we would wait for retracement for next M15 candle, and that's exactly what happened. The price retraced to this previous candle body, and it just went away. It just went right to the upside. So guys, you also just look at the recap, okay? Just go through the complete live stream and just understand that what I was explaining when the price was around this area, so that you can guys also understand that what we should look for and how we anticipate the price, and how we can anticipate the future move. We waited for M30 candle to retrace, but it did not it did not give any retracement to the downside, and we did not get any chance to enter the trade. So we missed the trade because we did not get any retracement. That was the only one single thing. Because of that we missed this trade. Otherwise we would have entered the trade. So not to worry, next time we will make sure that we do not repeat this kind of mistake. And also guys, make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I have Instagram account as well, so make sure to follow the Trader Zone page on the Instagram, and there also I'll be posting some of the updates about the live stream and everything, and about the trades. So make sure you also follow me on Instagram. Okay, guys. So thank you for joining the today's live stream. I really appreciate that you took your precious time and you just gave your precious time on this the Trader Zone live stream. And thank you so much. You guys really made my day, and I really loved to answer all of your questions, and it felt really great. And it felt really great that somewhere my knowledge has helped you. And yeah, so I'll try my best. I'll give my best to make sure to share all the knowledge that I have with me. Okay, and I'll see you tomorrow on the tomorrow's live stream. So today we are done for today. We have not taken any trades today. We had we had the gold buys, but we missed that trade. So not to worry about. We will come tomorrow again, and we will try to make some good profit from the market. So yeah, thank you so much for joining, and good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are, in whichever the part of the world you are. And have a great day ahead, and see you tomorrow. Cheers, bye bye, and peace. Thank you so much. Bye bye.